welcome sa ating new learning. This time, meron tayong ibang topic which is itong Bill of Materials or known as BOM nitong one-story residential house. So, meron tayong gagamiting waterline layout to determine itong ating bill of materials. And then, meron na siyang sariling labor cost. So, itong ating one-story residence, meron siyang dining area, main kitchen, meron siyang bedroom, lanai, and then parking area. And then, meron tayong format na gagamitin para sa ating BOM. Okay, so ito na yon, item number. Meron tayong description, quantity, unit, yung ating materials, unit cost, total, yung labor cost, unit, saka total, and then the column amount. We have number 1, yung ating general requirements. Next is plumbing fixtures, water line system, and then itong ating miscellaneous. So, to do that, let's read itong business natin na water line layout. And then, to do the water line system, dapat meron kang requirements like yung Tempasil, saka yung PPEs, and then yung pagpunta mo, mobilization or demobilization. So, dapat meron kang requirements for that sa mga tauhan mo. And then, we have mobilization, naka 1 lot. Also, the plumbing plans, saka permit. So, naka 1 lot tayo. Tempasil, 1 lot. Then, safety and PPEs. So, yung safety sa site sa mga workers na gagawa. And then, next is, let's count itong plumbing fixtures na naka-indicate doon sa water line layout. And then, we have water closet, lavatory, water heater, water meter assembly, at saka yung hose bib. So, meron na tayong fixtures but we don't know kung ilang quantity. So, let's base on the plan, check natin. Let's count the quantity. First is itong water closet. Look on the legend and symbols. Itong water closet, other term as inodoro, WC. So, let's count the quantity. So, ilang WC? Ito. 1, 2, 3, saka ito. 4. So, 4 na water closet meron tayo. And then, i-input natin doon sa ating format. Okay? So, we have 4 sets of water closet. Next is itong lavatory, water heater, water meter, at saka si hose bib. And for lavatory, ang label niya is LEB. So, how many lavatories? We have 1, 2. Okay? Dalawa lang. Yung ating water heater, ang label niya is WH. So, ilang WH? Ito lang, isa. Okay, 1 water heater only. Isa lang. Next is itong water meter. Itong WM. So, yung ating water meter, yung connection niya is coming from water utilities. So, ito. WM, meron siyang gate valve, check valve, at saka meter. Isang assembly lang yung ating water meter. Next is itong hose bib, HB. So, ilang HB ang nabasa nyo? We have 1, from the parking, we have 2. Okay, this one 3. The right portion, we have 4. So 4 na hose bib. So yung mga quantity na yan, i-input ulit natin doon sa ating BOM format. Okay, we have 2 lavatory, isang water heater, isang water meter assembly, at saka itong ating hose bib. Next to do is itong water line system. Ano yung mga piping na ginagamit. Also with the fittings at saka yung gate valve na rin. And then meron tayong 20 mm diameter na PPR pipe. And then 25 mm na PPR pipe. So i-check ulit natin kung ilang quantity, kung ilang peraso yung pwedeng gamitin sa installation. Let's check ulit sa plan. As you see on the plan, so itong pipe na to is 25 up to this portion. So yung i-add natin ito, yung 3 meters plus itong length na to from this portion, 7.85 plus 5.088 meters, and then plus 2.878 plus 2.040 meters, and then yung length nito 785, and then plus itong portion na to 4.375. So and then meron tayong total na 33.951 meters, and then yung length ng isang PPR pipe is 4 meters. So if we divide that by 4, the answer is 8.84 meters, yung mismong one length. But magpasobra ka because meron pang ano yan, vertical piping. So let we say from 8 pieces, let we say gawin natin 12 pieces na 20 mm PPR pipe. Okay, we have 12 pieces of 20 mm PPR pipe. For 25 mm, let's look on the plan ulit. To get the quantity for 25 mm PPR pipe, itong length na to 6.529 plus itong length na to, which is 5.632, and then meron tayong total length of 12.16 meters. So yung length ng bawat pipe is 4 meters, so divide that by 4, that's 3.04 meters pieces, sorry. So meant to say gagamit tayo ng 4 pieces of 25 mm diameter. Okay, we have 4 pieces of 25 mm, and then let's count the quantity of tong 20 mm gate valve na PPR. So go back on the plan. Yung ating GB is known as gate valve ito sa symbols. So ilang gate valve? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we have 8. So 8 gate valves ang nakalagay sa plan. So ito yung ilagay natin doon. Okay, so 8 pieces na 20 mm PPR gate valve. So yung PPR pipe fitting, so mahirapan ka nang mag-quantify for that. You can assume 1 lot na lang para mas mabilis yung paggawa mo ng bill of materials. And then yung miscellaneous, meron tayong consumables, 1 lot, soil excavation, tsaka backfill. And then, testing and commissioning together with the water connection sa utilities coming from Manila Water or Manila. So, after mo ito mapilapan, itong general requirements, plumbing fixtures, water line system, at saka si miscellaneous, so pwede ka na mag-proceed with the next column, which is itong materials. So, hanapan natin ng unit cost itong sa materials. Itong ating mobilization, assume na yung distance ng bahay mo to the site malapit lang. You can say 10,000. Yung pagkaba mo ng plumbing plans for permits, let we say 7,000. And yung temporary facilities or known as Tempasil, so let we say 20,000. Ito yung total mo, yung multiply mo lang itong unit cost sa kasi quantity. And then for the labor, let we say 30% of the unit cost will be your labor. So depende sa'yo kung gawin mong 35, 40. And then safety and health, PPEs, so let we say 5,000 for 2 or 3 workers na gagawa. So may total kang 5,000. Okay, next proceed is to yung plumbing fixtures. So ngayon, canvas ka ulit sa supplier. Ano yung presyo ng water closet, lavatory, water heater, at saka si water meter. But I have inquire ng price list, initial lang to. Then for the water closet, meron tayong dalawang choice na pipilian. Merong soft close seat cover, merong 3,590 pesos. Saka itong one piece water closet, toilet bowl with pre-fittings, meron kang 7,800. For the lavatory, you have 4,382 and then 5,410. So sa assumption na natin, let's use this one, vessel type basin 4,382. And then itong ating water closet, let's say this one, itong 7,800. And then next sample for the water heater, single point. So meron kang 4 na choices na pagpipilian. It's either itong Panasonic or meron din Victor. So merong 6,450, 6,395, 8,550 or 5,2. So sa ating sample calculation, kahit we can get this one, 6,450 sa ating water heater. Safety features, single point water heater. Okay, itong ating water meter assembly, yung brand niya is Asahi. So 7 to 50 pesos. Okay, so yun yung gamitin nating price. And then to sum up sa ating unit cost, sa water closet 7,800, lavatory 4,382, water heater 6,450, water meter assembly 7 to 50, yung hospital kahit 500, mura lang naman yan. Next thing to do is itong water line system. Ano yung presyo nitong mga PPR pipes? We have Atlanta PPR pipes and fittings for hot and cold water piping system. And then yung thickness is PN20. So So, yung ating pipe na 20 mm na 1/2, yung standard length is 4 meters. Yung price is 388.74 pesos. Pag 25 mm naman, 3/4. So, meron kang 620 pesos for 4 meters. Okay, but actually, this is sample price only. You can ask or get for quotation sa ibang hardware or sa market. Baka nagbabago yung price ditong piping, yung mga pipes. And then for PPR gate valve, we have 20 mm, 20 by 1/2. So yung price is 530. Okay, so ito yung ilagay natin doon sa ating BOM. Okay, to sum up yung pipes, 388.74 pag 25, 620 pesos. PPR gate valve, 530. Actually, yung pipe fittings, we do not know the quantity. But we can assume na within 3,000 pesos, pwede mo nang mabili lahat ng fittings included. Or else, pag sumuba or kumulang, meron tayo sa consumables. And then, assume na yung ating consumables ay 15,000. And then, soil excavation and backfill, 3,000. Testing and commissioning, let to see, walang materials na bibilhin, only labor lang, let to see, 5,000. Okay, so we're done with the unit cost sa ating materials. Next is get the total cost of materials. So, i-multiply mo lang to, saka unit cost times quantity. And then, meron ka ng total cost ng materials. Okay, together with this one. Okay, so ito. So, means to say, yung ating total materials cost, ito, 88,048 pesos. Okay, hindi pa lang nakasama. Include yung taas. Okay, so, that's for materials. Next is the labor. So, paano yung labor? So, this one, the total cost ng labor, sa unit cost, multiply mo lang ng quantity. Okay, and then i-drag mo lang to. Okay, so, again, for the safety and health, so wala namang labor na gagawin dito. It's only materials. So, pwede mo nang i-blanco ito. Okay, so next is itong plumbing fixtures. Ano yung labor cost natin? So, assume na yung labor natin is range from 30% to 40%. So, for this time, kahit we can assume at 30% of that unit cost ng materials. So, times natin ng 0.30. And then, multiply mo lang tong unit cost sa quantity. Okay? So, and then, after that, pwede mo nang i-drag ito. Okay? And then, next to the waterline system, the same lang din. I-drag mo na lang to. Also, the miscellaneous. And then, for the total amount, so, sir, ano yung magiging total project cost natin? So, itong materials na total cost, i-plus mo lang with the labor. Total cost, so yun na yung magiging amount. Okay, or itong total ng labor cost plus this material cost. So, wala naman ang value but meron pa rin amount. Okay? And then, i-drag mo na lang ulit to the plumbing fixtures. Also with the waterline system. Also with the miscellaneous. And then you have a total project cost of 1,167 463.54 pesos. So yun na yung total cost ng project. And then if i-break down natin yung magiging total cost ng materials is this 113.48 pesos. Yung labor cost mo is 54,414.66 pesos. And then if i-add mo ito, yung magiging sagot din is itong si total cost, which is 167,463.54 pesos. So ganun lang gumawa ng bill of materials na mayroong labor cost. So yung crucial part lang talaga dito is to determine the quantity, itong plumbing fixtures together with the water line system. Ito na yung crucial part, because we do not know the quantity unless i-check mo yung plano. Itong sa requirements, madali lang to, mabilis lang. Also the miscellaneous. And then the other crucial part ulit is itong materials. Ano yung magiging presyo nitong fixtures sa pipe na nakalagay. So or else, para di ka magkamali, i-check mo yung technical specifications coming from the owner. And then from that, punta ka ng supplier. So ito na yung standard na bibilhin mo. Hindi ka lang basta-basta bibili na hindi naka-align dun sa specifications ng owner. Otherwise, pwedeng ma-reject or substandard yung nabili mo. So be careful with that. So for this, assumption lang to na yung ating price na pinakita kanina is ito yung specs na i-install sa ating residential. Okay, so ganun, i-check mo yung specifications. Then after that, sa labor cost uli, actually yung ginamit natin is 30%. So you can come up with other percentage, pwede mong 35 or 40. And then meron tayong total cost na 167,463.54 pesos. Actually, ito is direct cost. Merong pwede ka pa mag-add. Let's say, mag-add ka ng profit, contingency, saka others na actually meron pang iba yung meron pang sa tax, VAT inclusive or VAT exclusive. So for this, sample is direct cost and then VAT inclusive. Okay, so ganun yung sample na bill of materials na ginawa natin sa one-story residential sa water line system. So please subscribe para kayo ma-update sa anytime I upload videos. Thank you.